Because the royal wedding is happening this weekend between Prince Harry and American actress Meghan Markle, I had been looking for a cocktail that blended together the worlds of Britain and America to help celebrate. And bartender Nathan Simon here at Comfort in Evansville, Indiana, you have a cocktail that's just right for this, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So it's the Rhythm and Booze. So it's equal parts Scotch, Rittenhouse Rye, and cognac, and then a little bit of Jerry Thomas bitters. And we're going to smoke the wood. Smoke the glass with some wood here. It all comes from our wood shop in the back, so it's kind of just like random wood chunks that we have.
Oh, look at, oh yes. Very nice. Little banknote Scotch. Represent Britain. Some Rittenhouse Rye for America. And the French have to come in someplace, right?
Bitter Truth, it's their Jerry Thomas bitters.
It's the equal parts of each of those. Right on. And what do we have there?
Dim syrup. So
a little rhythm and booze.
get a nice stir, get it all mixed together while that glass is smoking.
Oh man, can I just nose that?
Yeah, oh, yeah, absolutely.
This is the smoke. Oh wow, it's like campfire.
Yep.
It's campfire lusciousness. Love it.
I got our big king cube here.
Yes. King of the cubes. Ah.
I got a big cinnamon stick here.
Oh yes. Would expect nothing less because you guys have only the best here. Oh yeah. Cheers. All right.
All right.
And here's to the royal wedding, rather royal cocktail. Man, that is really nice.
Yeah.
That is beautiful. You got the smoke, you got the sweetness, the barrel, this everything. Cheers, man. Thank you.
Cheers.